Uh, my mom backed it up into my car about a month ago already. Smacked it pretty good. Broke a couple of things. I'm gonna try to straighten this fender out. This I already got a replacement. The front bumper I already got a replacement. This is the '06 bumper. We're gonna do the '09 to '11 front end. I also have the lip for it. I was trying to install the lip. I already painted it all. I tried to mess up the paint, just kind of how I messed that one up, and it came out good. But I stretched it and it wrinkled and it peeled, and you can see it there as I'm trying to stretch it. So we're gonna put the bumper on first. Well, first I have to put that license plate bracket onto this one here, and then we're gonna mount that bumper onto this. Then I'm gonna mount the lip onto it. Then I'm gonna sand it down. I have some paint there, and I have some primer where I painted everything. So we'll try to correct that. And like I said, I already have the side fender too. I have it just chilling over here. And here it is. This came out too glossy. Came out a little too perfect. uh, Anyways, as long as everything will still match. I did want to wrap it, but I was reminded of everything that I have to remove to do that. So maybe for another time. So that's why I just sprayed it to kind of match it. Hopefully after a couple of washes it all kind of fades away and it just blends in nicely. But these are shiny versus, well, I guess it's a little shiny. But anyways, I am here at work. I have it on the lift. I've had this lift for like about 2 years. I've never put my car here. It's finally on the lift, just to make life so much easier for me. So let's open this sucker up. I just installed this red line tuning gas shock. So much easier. No more hood prop in the way here. Let's start taking everything off. And to go over of what I purchased. So I purchased the bumper with the grill. I did not know there was a kit with the bumper, the grill, and the bottom grill. I had to buy the bottom grill separately. The Honda emblem obviously separately. Still have the other one on the car. I had another one laying around. I don't know if this one's bigger. Doesn't really fit in that gap correctly. I think maybe that one's bigger. Maybe that's the one that goes in there. Anyhow, I got the fog lights. I also painted the fog lights. I wrapped the fog lights with that yellow tint. I had to take the fog light from the housing of the fog light housing. Got the Honda Factory Performance HFP lip. Got the side skirt. I have the other 3 at home. We just needed 1. The rest are good. We're gonna have to probably shave this down a little bit to kind of meet this curve, because over the years the tire has kind of molded itself into this fender well here. And I just have to go and just peel the little extras, and there we have it cleared. I do also have to cut this bumper a little bit. I do have to put 2 rib nuts on here. I got a lot of work ahead of me. I gotta straighten this out. So just wanted to go over all the parts. Oh, one last important thing that I did have to buy in order to make this work. These brackets. These brackets are like fucking, I want to say like $30 to $60 each. I forgot how much. They were expensive for fucking plastic. But without these, you cannot make it work. So to recap, you need the fog lights, you need the bumper, you need the grill at the bottom, you need the grill on the top, you need these freaking brackets. HFP lip if you want to make it look good. See? HFP lip. makes it look way much better. It gets started. Alright, so the bumper is off. I also got this bracket here. I'm probably gonna grab a car to try to pull this out. I gotta see what's bent. Oh yeah, this has some bent to it. Let me check out the other side. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. Actually, it kind of looks pretty good. Maybe just right here. Like this got pushed down, so I just probably have to hit this up. This I have to straighten out. I have this other bracket. I have the other bracket here. I got the easy lip as well to throw it onto this bumper. And that easy lip is this right here. I'm gonna take off my SI badge. I'm gonna take off this plate, throw it on the other one. And I'm gonna try to straighten this out as much as possible. And we'll go from there. Alright, I tried to straighten this out as much as I could. I straightened out this bracket here. I hit this back in so it doesn't rub. The headlight is fucked. I need to buy a new headlight. This shit is hella fucked. I'm gonna try to make this work. I already ordered a new one. But I gotta wait for it to get here. So I'm gonna try to make this one work for now until I get the other headlight. Yeah, I'm gonna mount this bracket, and there it is, pretty flush. Just still a little mangled, but we'll work that out. All right, and here we are. Zip ties to the rescue. As long as it holds it in place. Got this bracket in. Kind of I fight it a little bit. I think this is pressed in that way a little bit, but I was able to make it work. Hopefully it comes out okay. Now that I have that situation situated, back to what I said at the beginning. License plate and the SI badge. Golly, this is a lot more damage than I thought it was going to be. But hey, look, I made it work. Hopefully it lasts. But like I said, I have another one coming. It just sucks that I'm gonna have to drop the bumper to get to it. Man, I should have just bought it. All right, it's all ready. I even bought the bumper guard for it because I did not have it. So on the last bumper, this was piercing it. All right, I'm gonna throw it in. All right, I got this side in, and now I'm gonna just cut this right here so it matches everything. And when I put the fender on, I have no issues with the wheel hitting this right here. All right, and there it is. Now I'm gonna do the other side. All right, I have the lip up here, and I sanded it down. You can see where the paint was chipping, and I just sanded it down a little bit. I'm not gonna go overboard on it. I'm gonna just wipe it down, spray it, and then later I'll add some clear coat. I don't even have clear coat on me, so that's why I'm not gonna primer it. I'm gonna just smooth it down and then hit it with some paint, and then I'll put that easy lip on there. Then I gotta put these side fenders, but we're almost there. Almost there. And it's coming out pretty dang good. This side's all fucked up still, but looks a lot better. All right, and I painted it, and it looks all right. Came out cool. Nice. Heck yeah. Watching 40-Year-Old Virgin. Sweet. Now I just got to do the side fenders, and it's a wrap. All right. 3 fucking movies later, she is complete. She looks good, bro. Sheesh. Look at that. Cow fits nice and good. Woo! Let's close this hood up. Woo-wee! Shit looks good. All right, it is now the next day. Coming out to the car, and it looks very good. Can't even tell where the action was at. Just don't have a bolt here because the fender got mangled there and I can't get a rib nut to get in there. But she looks hella good. Shit, yeah. I love it. I just feel like this lip is just a little too high. I think it's time for some coilovers. That's my only solution to that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.